to the streets. Take it to the streets.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your boy, the Doordash Revolution, once again bringing to you another amazing episode. We want to talk about, in today's topic, Doordash customer confront Dasher. We got this article from the daily.news, and you can look at it right here. And it talks about why did the Doordash customer have to go to Wingstop to pick up their order. We're going to dive into it. This article was posted by Amara Thomas, July the 24th, 2024, 9:44 a.m. CDT. Lesson learned. Woman goes to Wingstop herself after waiting over an hour for her DoorDash order. She runs into her delivery driver. Wow. We're going to read a little bit more of this article. I'm going to give you my opinion on what actually went wrong here. You will also have your own opinion as well. You can put it in the comments down below. A disappointed DoorDash customer is urging the company to do a little bit better after she waited over an hour for her Wingstop order to arrive. She ended up going to the restaurant where she ran into the delivery driver. A confrontation ensued. In a viral video, TikToker Ashley Cooper explains that she placed an order at 6 p.m. for food to be delivered at 8 p.m. She says she placed the order through the Wingstop website and got a confirmation it received her order. Okay, here we go. First of all, she ordered from the company website. She did not order it through DoorDash. Ordered through the company website. Company website dispatched the order out to DoorDash. Let's proceed on. Wingstop informed her that DoorDash, an online food delivery app, would deliver her food. I got the text message at 7:35 p.m. that my Dasher was waiting at the restaurant. I checked it again at 8:15 p.m. cause we still hadn't received our food, she explained. She stressed that she tried to give the restaurant grace period cause you don't know what's going on at the restaurant at that moment. Yet another 15 minutes went by, and by 8:38 p.m., she said she decided to call Wingstop. I talked to a gentleman who was very, very sweet. He goes, "Ma'am, your food has been sitting here for 30 minutes, and there is not a Dasher waiting for your food." Ashley could recall. She says she decided to take matters into her own hands and pick up her food herself. As she pulled into the Wingstop parking lot, she says she saw a car also parking, and she says she suspected it was her delivery driver. As I'm walking into Wingstop, I got a text message that your Dasher has picked up your food at 8:49 p.m. I said, "Yeah, I can see her." So I go up to her, she says. She says she's confronted the woman she thinks is her DoorDash driver. I said, "Are you so-and-so?" And she said, "Yes." I said, "That's me. I've been waiting for it. The app said you were sitting here waiting for my food. which you clearly weren't, she recalls. Cooper said that the driver stressed to her that she just got the order information. Cooper says she found that hard to believe. That's funny because your name matches the name that said at 7:35 that you were sitting and waiting for my food. She says she then asked the DoorDash driver if she could just have her food. But the woman told her, according to Cooper, no, I have to deliver it to you. Her response frustrated Cooper. Excuse me, I had a notification just came through on the phone. So the DoorDash driver said she would ask DoorDash support to help on the matter, according to Cooper. Cooper gave a resolution. Cooper said she suggested the driver take a photo of her driver's license to verify the delivery, and that'll work. When she got home with her food, Cooper said that she reached out to DoorDash to have her 20% tip that she provided to the driver refunded. I just tipped this girl 20% and she handed me my food in the parking lot of the restaurant. So DoorDash tells me that I have to get a refund from my dasher, she argues. That sounds weird. All right, we're going to go ahead. We got viewers. You can also see viewers that could resonate about their bad experience with DoorDash drivers or Doordash Dashers. Okay, this is what one commenter said. I refuse to use DoorDash. They don't even bother to try and find my apartment. They just leave outside in a random spot. All they have to do is walk around the building. It's the first floor outside the door. Another comment. Another viewer shares. Listen, viewer, customer is getting ready to enlighten everybody right now. They get ready to blow your minds like landmines. Listen at this next comment. It's because some drivers scam the system. They use bots or have people holding multiple phones. They accept all the orders and wait for someone they work with to show up, and then they hand off the food. I want to address a few things. I'm going to start doing safety awareness as well as situation awareness about driver customers relations when it comes to dropping off their delivery at their location where they resided. I told many of you several months ago, viewers, that customers are now tracking drivers. Customers are now following some of you drivers. Customers are already waiting in the parking lot due to having a bad experience with a previous driver. Not getting their food, taking too long to get their food being put at another address, the driver's not double checking to make sure they're dropping it off at the right location. Or sometimes those drivers can't get in through the gate. So if you don't answer your phone, you don't answer your text message, customer, the driver going to put it right there at the gate, because that's the closest they can reach your address. The driver's going to reach out to DoorDash, but this is a different situation. They're going to reach out to DoorDash and take a picture, and everything's going to be documented. We try to get in contact with you and all of that. All that information is in via text message. Okay, let's deal with this case scenario here. Driver got caught with the food with their hand in the cookie jar, rather their hand holding the food and having left the parking spot. DoorDash is now aware of it, been aware of it. Customers are aware of it. Customers are going to start providing proof of these incidents. I told you that customers were following drivers, tracking drivers, even already at the parking lot to see how long it's going to take for the driver to get their delivery delivered to them in a timely manner. Now you know that I'm telling the truth about all of this stuff, by this experience that went on. Now, even though this lady was bold about her situation, she was angry, she was ready to confront the customer. In this situation awareness, the customer shouldn't approach the driver. Suppose they had turned south or went left to where the driver shot the customer shot the driver. We're losing a lot of delivery drivers today, ladies and gentlemen, due to situations that could have been handled in a different perspective for the safety of their well-being, as well as their customer well-being, as well as the merchant well-being. Trying to squeeze all the pennies you can get out of that order is not worth losing your life, and it's not worth you going to jail. It's not even worth you losing your account. Ladies and gentlemen, let's be mindful as customers, as well as drivers, as well as the merchant. Drivers, if you are on EBT, if you went into the restaurant and you got the order, go ahead and confirm that order and drop that order off. You work in multiple accounts. Sooner or later, you're going to get caught. Now, if you're multi-apping, get those orders. Drop them orders off. Don't hold the customer food hostage, because you 3 miles away thinking that customer is too lazy to show up at the restaurant. Pandemic days are over with, ladies and gentlemen. Customer will show up. Customer will be in the parking lot watching to see is you going to drop off their delivery. They can record you for proof. And this is how you can get deactivated on DoorDash, Grubhub, or Uber Eats, or whatever platform you're working on. We talked about better business etiquette, quality customer experience, great professionalism, great communication. This situation fell all 4 categories on the score chart. So put in the comments below, ladies and gentlemen, what you think about this video, what you think about the situation, what you think about this issue that could have been easily resolved if someone took pride in what they do. Peace. Take care, ladies and gentlemen. We see you in the next video.
Take it to the streets. Take it to the streets. Take it to the streets. Take it to the streets.